Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys, if you have a Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade with a 2.4 multi-air engine, guys. The same engine has been used in both vehicles. Let's say you have engine light on and you have any of the following four codes. I'm talking about code P0201, P0202 or code P0203 or code P0204. Stay with us, we'll explain, guys, what causes that and how to fix it on Jeep Renegade or Jeep Compass with a 2.4 multi-air engine. As you can see, the engine is out of the car. Why? Pretty simple, because we did engine replacement. In the meantime, we made probably close to 100 videos, guys, how to fix mechanical things on that engine. Everything from simple sensor replacements to actually replacing, guys, head gaskets, timing chains and all that stuff. And we'll be making more than 100 diagnostic videos. Why, guys? Why we do all that? Because we have only one goal here at the shop, and this is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing all that free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy any of the replacement parts or tools to fix that problem, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. We'll share it for your convenience and see where we order all our tools and parts from. Specifically, guys, this is Multiair 2.4 engine out of 2017 Jeep. You can find that engine in Jeep Compass from year 2017 up, and in Jeep Renegade from year 2014-15 up, guys. The only difference for the Compass, you have a shorter intake duct right here because your air filter box will be right here. You have engine cover that will be just cut a little bit right here on each side, and it will be black. We just painted ours white, guys. The scanner that we use here at the shop, it's Maxicom, guys, and I'll definitely recommend that too. It's amazing. You can see all the vehicles that it supports. Okay, for instance, those are the US vehicles, European vehicles right here, guys. Check it out, 3 pages of them. And you have Asian vehicles as well. Now, why we like that thing so much? Due to the fact that it's not too expensive, guys. It can pay itself off in one-time use practically, so I'll definitely recommend to check out the link in the description of the video below if you need a good scanner. In addition, you can access every computer in your car. You can read and delete codes from every computer, and you can see live data, which makes things super easy to diagnose, guys. Now, let's go ahead and talk about these codes. Anything from P0201 to 204, guys. I will go ahead and remove the upper engine cover. You have 4 posts where it attaches to the engine. Just grab and pull it out. Perfect. Now, you can see, guys, right here, that's where it attaches, okay, to these 4 posts right here, guys. And I have everything pretty loose in here so I can save you time, guys, but I'm going to remove that air intake duct. Okay, I get it out of the way. I'll come on the back side of the engine, and you're going to see, guys, okay, we have our fuel injectors, okay, right there. Those are, guys, on the back side, your fuel injectors. That's fuel injector for cylinder number 1. Starting towards the serpentine belt, okay, where you have your serpentine belt, this is your water pump here. The serpentine belt, guys, the first injector is for cylinder number 1. The second, okay, this is first. Second is for cylinder number 2, number 3, number 4. Now, things to check when you have those codes. It could be, guys, broken wire somewhere. Make sure it's not cut if you worked on your vehicle. Make sure it's plugged in the connector. Make sure the connector is actually all the way in on the injector, because if that connector is not pushed all the way in and that red thing is not locked in place, your injector may be malfunctioning, and that's why you get that code. If that doesn't fix the problem, most likely it's a bad injector, guys, and that happens as well. We have a video on the channel how to test fuel injectors coming soon, so please check it out, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.